Alright guys, Easy Amateur Radio here, and this is a Yaesu YS-60 that the internal lights went out on me. You just saw I was flipping switches, no internal lights. So we start by taking this apart. Pretty easy build to take apart. All the screws are easily accessed and things like that. So we start taking it apart, flip it around, kind of looking inside. I've never taken this apart, so this is a first for me. I missed a screw on the bottom there, so doing that, opening it up, looking, kind of seeing where I needed to find the lights and what it looked like, swapping screwdrivers, making sure they fit right. I'm going to pull this board off. It's pretty easy. It hangs on there by the wires, and there you go. There you see the lights. These were just incandescent bulbs. I guess over the years they've burned out. There really isn't a telling how old this meter is. I'm not really sure. By the way it's built, it looks to be mid-80s, maybe 90s, something like that. So these are some LED lights that I just have, trying to figure out kind of which prong to put where. By no means am I an electrical engineer or anything like that. I just like old electronics and sorting through problems. Swapping lights out is relatively easy, so that's the goal. That's what I'm going to try to do here. Looking for different ways to hook the lights up because I couldn't get the terminals connected right to work out. But you'll see I actually get it on, so I know that there's power to the board and stuff. So what I'll end up doing is trying a few things and getting these lights on the right terminals. Right there you go. These are some LED bulbs. I usually like LED white, but these are kind of an LED incandescent look. Kind of give it the original look that the the meter came with. So we're getting everything together. Now, I am no professional solderer by any means, so please don't judge this soldering and leave mean comments saying that I'm a piss poor solderer, because really and truly I already know that I am. But we're getting this done. We'll go ahead and hook this up. I'm primarily making this video to show everybody, like, you don't have to be some big wig. You don't have to have all the fancy gear. This is a Ryobi soldering iron. Nothing fancy here. $50 kind of disposable portable soldering iron. We're kind of getting everything fixed up. There we go. We got the first light going, and you'll see a little bit of, I had a dirty solder tip. So apparently my camera stopped recording, so this is what the final product looks like. Sorry about that, guys. 73 Easy Amateur Radio here.